Welcome Joanne, who is going to make barbecue bean sausages. Whole food, plant-based, no added sugar, oil, or salt. Joanne has an induction skillet and she is going to add in some water so she can water saute the minced sweet onions. And after she sweats these onions, she's going to add in some peppers, mushrooms, garlic, and herbs and spices. And this is all over a medium heat. So there's no oil required here. She's going to add her beans to a mixing bowl with flour and walnuts. And then she's going to incorporate all that together. She's going to add a little bit more water because as the onions are sticking to the pan, she can deglaze them. So now after incorporating the mixture in the bowl with the beans and the flour and the walnuts, she's going to add the contents of the skillet to this and incorporate it. And she's going to use a masher to mash the mixture just until it starts to come together. Joanne cautions not to overmash the mix because you want some texture. So in prepping for this demo, Joanne took some parchment paper and cut it into a smaller rectangular shapes to help her to roll the sausage. So she's going to lightly flour her hands and then make the mix into sausage shapes. Joanne said she usually gets about 8 to 9 sausages out of the mixture. And then she'll just twist the sides to keep the sausage in there tightly so it doesn't come out. And then Joanne will take a sheet of aluminum foil and roll the sausage in the aluminum foil tightly. These are going to be so good. So once she's wrapped all the sausages, she'll place them in a saucepan of simmering water and allow them to cook for about 20 minutes. Sometimes she uses the pressure cooker. Well, there's Rick. He couldn't wait to give it a try. So he just floured his hands and went in and grabbed some of that mixture. And he's going to try his first time rolling a sausage. And there he goes, rolling it up, twisting it on the side so it doesn't come loose. Good job, Rick. Joanne's a great teacher. Well, there were lots of fixings that Joanne brought, and we were so lucky because she brought a lot of things. She also said you can put these sausages in a frying pan or on your barbecue grill. They won't fall apart. So that's kind of a fun thing to know. So she brought a lot of fixings and some chopped up onions. She had made a salsa verde. She brought in some spicy brown mustard. You can serve it with charred chicory, tomatoes, lemon zest. So look at that sausage. It's a barbecued bean sausage. There's Jessie. She's showing us what we have on our plate. Pretty good. Well, that was a lot of fun watching Joanne make those barbecue bean sausages. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. And if you did, please let us know. And the way that you can let us know is by clicking here to subscribe. And if you've tried this at home and made it, please let us know in the comments below, because we'd like to see what you think about this video and this recipe. And in the meantime, until we see you again, be strong, be well, and be green. Bye-bye, everybody.